So the first switch here is power for the battery. The second switch controls this boost circuit and turns that on. You can see a little green light. The third switch controls the display. That's the voltage of the battery, 4.2 volts or 4.1 being maximum charge. If I slide it over here, we can see the voltage that the boost circuit thing is driving it at. This dial adjusts the voltage at which this is driving the rest of the circuit. So you'll see the maximum is 15.4. I can turn it down. So what that does is it allows you to adjust the brightness of the panel. So by turning down the brightness, you can save battery and also reduce the amount of noise, because this is quite noisy. So there are two different lighting modes. Here's, see what one is. Once you pick a lighting mode, either to that side or this side, you're going to want to also slide all these switches to the appropriate side. So to start, I picked this one, so sliding those all over. Now they're all lighting up. So with these panel of 5 switches here, you can actually control each of the 5 segments to individually turn some on or off. So for example, if you leave this big one off, you're gonna save a bit of battery. We can also adjust the brightness even more, and you can see how much louder that is. So I'll turn it back down because it's probably pretty loud. So this is just the on mode. The other side is a sound activated mode. So that's for music. When you're in the sound activated mode, this is the sound activated driver thing. There's an adjustable dial here that controls the microphone sensitivity. So depending on the loudness of the environment that you're in, you can twist this up or down and it will be more reactive or less reactive. So you can adjust it to your situations. So I'll just turn all that. Okay, got all that turned off now. If you press this button, it will show you the, well, actually, if you want to know how well charged a battery is, you can just take a look at the voltmeter over here, 4.1. But additionally, pressing this button also shows you the battery charge, depending on how many LEDs are lit on this board here. So it would be a maximum of 4 boards. So this board here manages the battery. To charge it, you need a 20 watt, at least a 20 watt or more type C to C charger, at least 20 volts probably. So here you have a C and an A port. You can use this A port. Well, actually both ports can be used to output the battery's power to charge your phone or some other device. But so I'm taking a 20 watt charger hooked up to the other side of this cable, hooking it up. When you're charging, you can leave everything off except for the battery. It works, it charges a little better. I mean, you can operate it while it's charging, but it charges a little better when everything's off. So now you'll see the LEDs blinking, so that means it's charging. Also, this is a fancier cable, so I can see that it's charging at 5 watts. When it's done charging, all 4 LEDs will be on and stop blinking. And also, if we switch back the voltmeter here, we can see 4.2. So it is charging. This is the stand. It's difficult to assemble. You'll want to use tweezers. It's handy, so you can, put it on a table. Additionally, you can use this to hang it somewhere. And that's it. Thanks.